1,000 mistakes. In fact, the journey of milk powder begins with fresh milk collected from healthy cows.
The fresh milk is transported safely to the milk powder factory.
At the factory, milk is received and stored in clean processing tanks.
The milk is filtered to remove any unwanted particles.
And professional, creamy supportive is on purpose. With a bell end available, there's also evaporation reduces water content, creating concentrated milk.
The concentrated milk is prepared for drying into milk powder.
Spray drying transforms liquid milk into fine milk powder.
Tiny particles of milk powder are formed during drying.
The following power of alteration belt is cooling and also protects the quality of the milk powder.
Sieving ensures smooth and consistent milk powder.
Blending ensures even quality in every batch of milk powder.
The milk powder is carefully packed to stay fresh.
Clear labeling provides important milk powder details. Every panel highlights the nutrients you care about, from protein and calcium to vitamin D. Easy-to-read facts and a scannable code mean you always know what's inside, so you can scoop, mix, and enjoy with confidence.
The impact, the milk powder is stored safely until delivery.
From cow milk to milk powder, the factory process is complete.